Balancing growth and data security for tech startups. Tech startups often struggle to balance growth with data security, especially with limited resources. Security is often neglected until a breach occurs, which is too late. In 2023, 61% of small businesses face cyber attacks. The global cybersecurity market is expected to grow from $243.15 billion in 2024 to over $435 billion in 2029. Cybersecurity is a business problem that affects customer trust, compliance, and funding opportunities. Integrating cybersecurity into OKRs, objectives, and key results can make it a priority without hindering growth. Key takeaways. Cybersecurity should be part of a startup's growth strategy. OKRs help prioritize, track, and improve cybersecurity measures. Cross-functional alignment ensures all teams contribute to security. Measurable security goals enhance accountability and transparency. Startups must update their cybersecurity OKRs as threats evolve. How OKRs and cybersecurity work together. Focus on what matters most. OKRs help prioritize critical security areas. For example, objective: reduce the risk of a data breach. Key results: implement MFA within 3 months, reduce phishing susceptibility to under 5%. Encrypt all customer data by Q2. Alignment across teams. Security is a company-wide responsibility. For example, objective: improve cybersecurity awareness among employees. Key results: ensure 100% of employees complete annual training. Conduct biannual phishing simulations with a failure rate below 3%. Create a cybersecurity handbook by Q3. Accountability and measurable goals. Clear goals prevent vague security efforts. For example, objective: improve incident response speed. Key results: reduce incident resolution time to under 4 hours. Conduct 2 security drills per year. Flexibility for startups. OKRs allow startups to adapt security priorities as new threats emerge. For example, objective: strengthen defenses against evolving threats. Key results: implement EDR tools within 6 months. Stay up to date with compliance regulations. Monitor security logs daily. Transparency for stakeholders. OKRs demonstrate security best practices to stakeholders. For example, objective: improve security compliance and transparency. Key results: achieve SOC 2 compliance within 12 months. Publish a biannual security report. Implement a customer security dashboard. Setting effective cybersecurity OKRs. Make them specific and measurable. Align them with business priorities. Involve multiple stakeholders. Reassess regularly. Target Align. Best OKR software Target Align helps SMEs implement OKRs to enhance their cybersecurity strategy. For more resources, check out Target Align's video course and OKR 101 material. How do OKRs improve cybersecurity in startups? OKRs provide a structured way to set and track clear, measurable security goals. Are OKRs only useful for tech teams? No, security is a company-wide concern. How often should small businesses update their cybersecurity OKRs? Every quarter. What's the difference between OKRs and KPIs in cybersecurity? OKRs set broad security objectives with measurable key results, while KPIs track specific security metrics. What cybersecurity OKRs should a startup prioritize? Employee security training, data encryption, incident response, compliance with security standards, risk assessment. For more information on Target Align's OKR SaaS app and exiting upcoming OKR training course, check out the links on the pinned comment below.